Do you want to make another container craft? Hi Crazy Crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making a gift box organizer. You can use this on your desk to hold paper clips, mini erasers, and other fun desk supplies. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are 3 gift boxes, decorative ribbon, scissors, and a hot glue gun. To start our craft, we're going to take our gift boxes. You can get these at a craft store or any kind of a gift shop, or you might even have some at home. I used a colored gift box, and these actually are the lids from 3 gift boxes. I used the bottom on a different craft. You'll only need the tops or the bottoms. You want them to be the same size so they can all line up in a row evenly. First thing we're going to do is we're going to glue them together the way that you want them to be. So I want them lined up lengthwise this way, so I'm going to put a little glue on the edge and then just push the 2 together. And then I'm going to put some glue on this edge and I'm going to push those 2 together. Now you could line them up the other way if you wanted. It just depends on the space you're going to put it in. So there you have, just kind of push them together a little so they stay. And now they're all lined up nicely. And then we're going to put our ribbon on. Now your ribbon, you want to just make sure obviously that it's going to fit on the sides. You don't want it to be too wide. And you want it to be some kind of color that matches. You can use whatever color or pattern suits you. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in various places along the edge. And then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to start it here. Press it down a little, and then I'm just going to drape it right along the edge and over that glue that I put down. Then I'm going to turn it. That one dried before I put my ribbon on, so I can just stick a little more glue on there and put my ribbon down. And then you're just going to do that all around the edges. Put a little glue and wrap your ribbon. Same thing along this edge. A little bit of glue. Put your ribbon down. That. And how much ribbon you use just kind of depends on the size of your boxes. And these are small gift boxes, but you can use larger ones if you'd like, or smaller ones. And finally that last side there. Then I'm just going to snip it off with a little bit extra, and then so I can just kind of wrap it around the edge here and stick it back like that. Now this will be the back where I have it, the 2 ends meeting there. That'll be my back, so you won't see that part. And this will be the front where it's a little neater. And then you just pull off any of those little strings that the hot glue leaves behind and just leave it to dry, and you're done.
I hope you had fun creating your very own gift box organizer to use on your desk. If you like this craft, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks Crazy Crafters for tuning in. Please tell your friends, and we'll hope to see you next time. Bye!